Have you ever watched a video online and wondered, is this person even real? What if I told you that in some cases, the person speaking to you was never born, never stood in front of a camera, and doesn't even exist? Welcome to the incredible world of synthetic AI humans, a technology that is advancing faster than most people realize. Today, we're exploring how China is leading the development of AI-generated digital humans, why businesses are adopting them, and what this could mean for jobs, entertainment, education, and our everyday lives. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this technology is creating excitement, raising important questions, and changing the future of communication. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence has evolved rapidly over the past few years. It started by helping people write emails, answer questions, and create images. Now, AI can generate lifelike human faces, realistic voices, natural body movements, and even emotional facial expressions. These virtual presenters can host live streams, sell products, teach lessons, answer customer questions, and deliver news, all without being physically present. China has become one of the world's fastest-growing markets for digital humans. Many companies are investing heavily in AI avatars because they can work around the clock without getting tired. Businesses can create digital presenters that speak multiple languages, remember scripts perfectly, and maintain a consistent appearance every single day. One of the biggest industries using AI humans is live streaming e-commerce. Instead of hiring human hosts for long shopping broadcasts, companies can create realistic AI presenters that introduce products 24 hours a day. These virtual hosts never lose energy, never forget product details, and can interact with customers using AI-powered responses. This technology also saves businesses time and money. Traditional video production often requires cameras, lighting, makeup, actors, and editing teams. AI-generated presenters can produce professional-looking videos in minutes once the system has been trained. That means companies can create more content faster than ever before. But AI humans aren't only being used for shopping. Some companies use them as virtual customer service representatives. Others create digital teachers that explain lessons to students. Museums are experimenting with AI guides that can answer visitor questions. Even healthcare organizations are testing digital assistants to provide basic information and appointment support. As impressive as this sounds, there are also concerns. Many people worry that AI humans could replace certain jobs. Presenters, customer service agents, sales representatives, and even content creators may face increasing competition from AI-powered digital avatars. While new technology often creates new opportunities, it can also change the kinds of skills that workers need. Another concern is trust. If AI-generated people become almost impossible to distinguish from real humans, how will viewers know whether the person on screen is real or synthetic? This has raised discussions about transparency and whether AI-generated content should be clearly labeled so audiences understand what they are watching. There are also ethical questions. AI systems can recreate voices and faces with incredible accuracy. If used without permission, this technology could create fake videos or impersonate real people. That's why many experts believe governments and technology companies should develop clear rules to encourage responsible use of AI while reducing the risks of misuse. Despite these concerns, AI humans also offer remarkable benefits. Small businesses that cannot afford professional presenters may now create high-quality marketing videos. Educational organizations can produce learning content in multiple languages. People with disabilities may benefit from personalized AI assistants that communicate naturally and provide information whenever needed. The technology is also becoming more interactive. Future AI humans may remember previous conversations, recognize emotions through voice and facial expressions, and adapt their responses based on each user's preferences. This could make digital communication feel even more personal than it does today. However, it's important to remember that AI is still a tool. Human creativity, empathy, critical thinking, and genuine emotional connection remain difficult to replace. While AI can imitate expressions and speech, it does not experience life, build real relationships, or feel emotions the way humans do. Experts predict that the future will likely involve humans and AI working together rather than AI completely replacing people. Human professionals may focus more on creativity, decision-making, and building trust, while AI handles repetitive tasks, routine presentations, and basic customer interactions. The biggest challenge for society will be finding the right balance. Businesses want greater efficiency. Consumers want better experiences. Workers want job security. Governments want responsible innovation. Achieving all of these goals at the same time will require thoughtful decisions and clear regulations. As AI continues to evolve, we may soon see digital humans appearing everywhere, from online stores and classrooms to hospitals, television programs, and business meetings. The question is no longer whether this technology will become part of everyday life. The real question is how we choose to use it. So, are China's synthetic AI humans truly replacing real people? In some industries, they're taking over specific tasks that were once done by humans. But in many cases, they're also creating entirely new possibilities that didn't exist before. Rather than a simple replacement, we're witnessing a major transformation in how people and technology work together. One thing is certain: the age of AI-generated humans has arrived, and its impact will continue to grow in the years ahead. Whether this future becomes more exciting or more challenging depends on how responsibly we develop, regulate, and use this powerful technology. What do you think? Would you trust an AI human to teach you, help you shop, or answer your questions? Or do you believe some jobs should always remain human? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fascinating stories about artificial intelligence, technology, and the future of our world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.